Hello Irving family, this is Miss Grace coming to you live from the Irving Garden. I'm going to be posting videos maybe once or twice a week about things that are happening in the garden because we're still going to be planting stuff for us to be eating all summer and fall, and maybe even some stuff for the spring. But I'll be coming on here once a week, twice a week to do math videos in the garden or fun activities for kids to do outside. It'll look different depending on what you want. I can read stories in the garden. Whatever you want, put it in the comments below if you have an opinion, and I'll make sure to post some videos like that. But today, we're here because I wanted to give a little update. Right before spring break, our students voted on things that they wanted to plant in the garden this year, and we're gonna still make sure that happens. So let's count it all up and see what the 4 most popular vegetables and fruits were. So just to refresh your brain, we voted for strawberries, snap peas, peppers, sunflowers, greens like collards and kale, carrots, broccoli, and rainbow lettuce. So I counted them all up and we had 197 votes for strawberries. We had 47 votes for rainbow lettuce. We had 11 votes for greens. We had 75 votes for sunflowers. We had 58 votes for carrots. What else do we have? 37 votes for broccoli and 27 votes for snap peas. How many do we have for peppers? Peppers, we had 33 votes. So let's look at these. Which ones had the most votes? Which are the 4 that had the most votes? Strawberries have the most. Sunflowers have the second most. Carrots and rainbow lettuce. So those are 4 things that we are definitely going to make sure go in the Irving Garden this year. So usually at the end of these videos I'll have kind of like a do outside activity for our kids to keep moving and explore outside. But today it's a little bit rainy and cold, so probably not the best idea. So what we're going to do instead is we're going to do an inside activity. What I want you to do, I want you to create your own dream garden. Because here at Irving, we're going to be building some garden beds right behind me and making the garden a little bit bigger. So my challenge for you is to create your own dream garden. Draw it out on a piece of paper, maybe take a picture and put it in the comments below so I can see it. What are some things that you might put in there? What are some of your favorite fruits and vegetables to eat? Those could all go in your garden. I really like carrots and strawberries, so I would definitely put both of those in my garden. But I also really like animals, so I might have chickens or goats or something like that, maybe a cow. Maybe you'll have a playground in the middle of your garden, so you can take a break from all your planting and go on the swings. Maybe yours will have a pond. Be creative, draw it out however you want and put it in the comments below. And I will see you later this week, next week, for another garden update. Bye.